Hi, my name's Helena, and I'm here to show you how to capture an accurate impression using the Better Smiles Impression Kit. The fit quality of your appliance is directly related to the quality of your impression, so this step is very critical. Please watch this video and read the imprinted instructions twice before starting. Do not use this kit if you have loose teeth because they could be extracted or damaged by this process. And now, let's take a look at what's inside a Better Smiles Impression Kit. A shade guide card, impression kit instructions, a plastic bag to put your impressions in, a pair of medium and large exam gloves, 6 trays, 2 medium, 2 large, and 2 extra large, 5 sets of putty, purple and white, a cheek retractor, and a pouch to return your impressions to Better Smiles. And now I will show you how to capture an impression of your top and bottom teeth. Please try each of the bottom trays in your mouth. The bottom tray should fit so that the ends of the tray fit over the back of your teeth, like this. But you want to make sure your teeth are in the center of the tray and not pressed against the front, like this. And repeat the steps with the top trays, choosing the best two. And now it's time to mix the putty. It's important that you wear the supplied gloves when mixing the impression material. We will start by mixing the purple and white putties together. Please start the timer when you begin mixing the putties. You will be mixing them for 40 seconds to ensure you can no longer see white. If you do not have the strength to mix the material, please ask someone to help you. The goal is to eventually mix and roll it into a sausage-like form. Please take the appropriate tray and put the mixed putty into the tray. Be sure to pull a small piece off the end. This will allow you to check how long it will take for the putty to harden. Once the putty is in place, it's now time to carefully insert the tray into your mouth and get your first impression. When you place the tray in your mouth, the idea is to get the impression material to capture the full height of your teeth and the surrounding tissues. This requires you to put force on the tray with your fingers, so the impression material flows completely over and around all of your teeth. The most common impression error is that the tray was not forced into the teeth, leaving the impression short of the full height of your teeth. The other common error is removing the impression material before the material is fully set up. You must wait at least 3 minutes with the impression tray in your mouth before removing it. A great way to check if the impression material is fully set is to take your fingernail and press it into the small piece of extra impression material you had set aside earlier. If your fingernail does not make a permanent indentation, then the impression is ready to be removed from your mouth. After you have made your first impression, rinse it off with cool tap water and place it in the plastic bag provided. Then, repeat the process with the other bottom impression tray and the 2 top impression trays. Use the cheek retractors to move your cheeks away from your teeth. Then, take the following photos: front view, left side view, right side view, top view of top teeth, top view of bottom teeth, front view with shade guide card, and the top view of all 4 of your impressions. Upload these images to bettersmiles.com. We will evaluate your impressions, and if they appear acceptable, we will let you know. Don't send us the impressions until we inform you that they look acceptable. Now you are ready to send us your impressions in the plastic bag. Place the plastic bag inside the return pouch and drop it off at a FedEx pickup location. You can find the nearest pickup point at fedex.com. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 855-BET-SMILE, which is 855-238-7645, or by email at support@bettersmiles.com. Thank you for watching.